Hi everyone, it's Julie.
And Andy.
Okay, and we're here to host our new series.
Which
Is
funnier? There should be effect here, so deal with it.
we're gonna show you two clips, and you're gonna have to tell us which is funnier.
The first clip, we're gonna show you a video of a little girl being her happy little self, la 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 la, until she sneezes.
Let's show the clip.
Mommy, look! It's a
Achoo!
Aww, I dropped my teddy bear.
Yeah, that was pretty weird, don't you think? Our second clip is about this ghetto, bulky, gym-going guy. Almost every single week. Yeah, exactly.
Talking all ghetto, acting like he saw that, and then he happens to sneeze. And in a particular way also. Let's take a look. Yo man, what's up?
What's up, dog?
Oh man, this other day I was walking, minding my own business, and then this little kid comes up to me and starts talking all over me, saying that he's better than me. You know what I told him? You know what I told him?
I can't.
I gotta go.
But you just got here.
Peace, dog. Oh. Whoa.
Whoa.
That's all we have to say.
Poor guy.
Stay tuned for the next episode. We can't tell you what it is, but it will be up soon enough.
Leave us suggestions if you want down in the comment section and video responses.
Just because we're not gonna post which is funnier anytime soon doesn't mean we're not gonna post any videos. We're gonna be posting holiday specials.
With
And
Halloween coming up.
if you guys want to give us ideas, suggestions, and we'll tweak it up a little bit and see what we come up with.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to us if you haven't already.
And my channel and hers. Then over
Yeah,
here.
in that corner.
And then the main channel right here with us. So 2, 1. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Love you.
I told you once, now I told you twice. We gon' light it